Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Flash Custom Transfers, and today I wanted to do a comparison video and a little bit of an education video. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys the difference between our sublimation gang sheet and our DTF gang sheet. This is direct to film, that's what DTF stands for. And this is sublimation. You notice how this one is mirrored, this one isn't mirrored. There's a lot of two differences. I know online you guys may see $14.99 and $19.99, and we're getting a lot of confusion. So in this video, I'm gonna explain to you guys the difference. Okay, so if you guys don't know, we started our channel off playing around and acting like we're gonna throw away this, which is actually a regular printer, but it was actually converted into a sublimation printer because it's a fill tank and you can put sublimation ink that you can buy pretty much anywhere off of Amazon. You can put it in there and you can start to do sublimation projects. But if you don't know, sublimation is very limited. Here's a prime example. On this shirt right here, it's 100% cotton, it's a Bella Canvas shirt. You could not put this onto this shirt. If you did, the colors would not come out right. They wouldn't come out as vibrant. They would come out all faded because this shirt is cotton. This process, sublimation, is completely designed for polyester. So anything that's polyester or like ceramic, like a cup, can take sublimation ink. Anything that's cotton or canvas or any other material like hoodie material or even like shoes, you do not want to do sublimation. You want to do a process called direct to film. So that's what this is, and there's a lot of videos. You guys can see how I'm not going to stretch it because it's her brand new shirt. Shelly's over there working like always. Look at the booty meat. But anyway, so you guys know this is extremely durable. All you need to do this process right here is just a heat press. You don't need a printer or anything and stuff like that. Or you don't need a cutter or anything. All you need is just a press. Come in here, you snip out your logo, put it on there and press it. This process is a water-based ink on top of a special adhesive. Flip it over. Oh, sorry, that fell. That prints into the special adhesive. That's the reason why you can still see it on the other side, because the ink is actually in the adhesive. And that's what makes our process very unique and why it's so durable. Other processes that you see out there, I will not name any other companies, but they have a white screen print base and then they print on top of it. Is it a water-based ink? I'm not sure, I don't know. That's the reason why those products will crack, peel, and fade over time. And if you guys look at the video that I just posted with the kids outside, you notice that in that video, they stretch, they do everything that they can to damage our shirt and our product, but the product never damages. So that's because of the adhesive and how the ink is actually printed into the adhesive, and then it goes through the machine and then it cooks and then it comes out and you get this sheet right here. So this application can go on anything. So any of these transfers can go on this material, they can go on cotton, they can go on polyester. This DTF can go on anything. Now, it will have a feel, but it's very soft. It's very, it's a mixture between screen printing and vinyl. It's a very soft, unique feel that is very pleasing. And we get a lot of customers very surprised at the feel. It's very gentle. Now, nothing can feel like sublimation because sublimation actually, not only, I guess dyes, it dyes the fabric. So you couldn't do it on a cotton shirt, but if this was a white, not only are you limited, you couldn't do it on a cotton shirt and you couldn't do it even if the shirt was pink and it was 100% polyester. If you tried to sublimate black into it, it wouldn't work. So you have to have white polyester in order to do it. So those are the limitations. And again, we didn't mean to offend anybody whenever we made that video, but we hadn't mastered this product yet. So we knew when we made the video throwing away our sublimation machine and telling you, the consumer, to throw away your sublimation machine and get our DTF, we knew that because we were working on this product right here. Just like how we talk about our stickers, now we have them. We're gonna put them, I'm still working on the website because I designed the website, but our full decal stickers, I'm gonna do a video here soon. In fact, the video after this will be the video of me putting this on my car. These are a full color transfer stickers, vinyl, breathable vinyl. So you can put them on glass, you can put them on mugs. In fact, let me see baby's mug right here. As you can see, and we can cut it in like a circle, square, octagon, any shape, or we can cut it like this, cut it to the design of the logo. So we just have a lot of possibilities things that we were working on. But when we made that video, we just wanted to, just kind of get our name out there and let you guys know that sublimation is very limited. That's the reason why I put tumblers on our sublimation gang sheet logo, the sale picture that we have on the website. I put tumblers because this primarily is what people use sublimation for. You do have a lot of people who do full-blown sublimation sheets, sublimation shirts. But most people that I know, most people that just regular people in the world, we prefer a soft cotton. Not a lot of people like to wear polyester. It is breathable, but they also make breathable cottons now, soft cottons. Even Gildan's starting to get into soft cottons now. So that's the reason why I made that video saying how limited sublimation is. But when it comes to the world of accessories, when it comes to the world of tumblers, sublimation is king. This product, the vinyl stickers, is cool. And again, this isn't like Cricut vinyl. This isn't heat transfer vinyl. This is non-heat, 100% breathable vinyl stickers. And these things will last like 2 to 5 years in any weather condition. So there's a lot of things that sublimation can do that DTF can't when it comes to accessories, when it comes to products like that. You cannot take a DTF and put it on a mug. It's not gonna work. But so that's where sublimation is king. So that's just a little bit of the differences between sublimation, which can work on apparel, but it has to be white and 100% polyester, or DTF, which can work on any apparel, any bag, anything. It can be pressed onto that. So I just want to go over the differences. Again, they're both the same size. So we know that there are a lot of people out there who, unfortunately, have a machine about this big, whether or not it's the official machine or not, and they're only able to get about this big worth of sublimation artwork on there. So even if I were to take this, right? So this is almost a sheet. I forgot what size I made these, but it's almost a sheet to get these 6 tumbler logos on here. But if you buy one of our gang sheets for only $14.99, which a lot of people are doing, they're taking advantage. Look how many tumblers you could fit in here. Obviously, I'm filling this with my logo, but if you had tumblers this size, which is about that size right there, look how many tumblers you could fit on here. And you're only paying $14.99 plus shipping, and you're selling each cup at 20 to 25 bucks. Because I know, especially a tumbler this big, it's probably going for even more. But I know the average going rate for a tumbler right now, a custom one, is about 20 bucks. So even this 6 right here, that's 60 bucks. That's way more than what you paid for the gang sheet. That's why this is extremely important. And get rid of your sublimation printer at home unless you have one that can print this big. If you already have one that can print this big, then our service is no need to you. But for the people out there who have the Epson 2720, for the people out there who have a sublimation printer that can only print this big, listen, if you got projects, consider us, because we can get you this product and you're gonna get the best bang for your buck. This half here up might be for one customer. You print their entire order on this half, then you have somebody else's order on this half. You've only paid $14.99 for the entire sheet. You get it, you make all their mugs, all their accessories, all off of one sheet. It's only costing you $14.99 plus shipping. And mind you, don't forget, you're only paying shipping once. So even if you order 3 of these sublimation sheets and 5 of these DTF sheets, you're only paying shipping one time because we ship everything together. I do it myself. I will be putting it in these tubes. So I got some really cool dad toys over there for Father's Day, but I'll be putting it in these tubes and I will be shipping it out to you. So don't forget, the more you order, your shipping doesn't go up. We have standard shipping. So we've shipped out rolls this big, 13 bucks. So again, if you have any questions, guys, please leave a comment down below. I will try to answer to the best of my ability. Also, please take advantage of our buy 5, get 1 free. And we're talking about DTF, buy 5, get 1 free, buy 10, get 2 free when it comes to our sheets. So please do that. And yes, you can stack those deals. You can buy, in fact, today, what did the guy buy today? Like 2 or 3, right, babe? The guy today, he bought like what? 2 or 3 of these buy 10, get 2 frees? 4. So see, 48 sheets. So he got, no, 2, 4, 6. He got 6 free.
48 is total. Yeah. Like that.
Yep. Yeah, she's 100% right. And also, before you purchase this sheet over here, make sure you know what you're doing. Do not buy this sublimation sheet thinking, yay, I get a free sheet and you don't know what you're doing. I'm not saying that to be rude. I'm saying that to say, unfortunately, we've got a lot of people who seen the price on the website and they'll just purchase this one right here, thinking they're getting this, like thinking somehow we messed up and we're making this DTF sheet cheaper, and they'll purchase this. And then when we explain to them, hey, it's a sublimation sheet, they really mean this. And then we have to do like a price change and stuff like that. So just be conscious of what you're wearing. The sublimation people out there, you guys really know your stuff. That's the reason why whenever I made that video about DTF and saying throw away your sublimation printer, you guys really got upset because that video has like a lot of views, tens of thousands of views, and a lot of comments of people getting really upset. So I just want to let people know, like, listen, yes, go ahead, throw. If your sublimation printer looks like that, throw it away. There's zero reason to keep that unless you just are doing something quick and like you're gonna make something really quick for somebody, pop the shirt on or pop a tumbler real quick. But if you're doing bulk and you're doing it out of this machine, these gang sheets will take your business to the next level, because you've already got the tumblers and the accessories and you're able to put, because imagine if this was keychains, how many keychain logos you can do. Now you can do huge projects. You can scale your business, something that we've been able to do. We don't show the numbers on how much money we make per day to be boastful. We show that to inspire whoever is watching this video, to inspire you to scale your business. And we provide those products because you know that we want to just continue manufacturing. So again, one more time, in conclusion, this to the right is a direct to film transfer. That's what this is. This needs heat. Over 300 degrees, 12 seconds. 2 presses. This can be pressed on any apparel, any material. This can be pressed on that material. White, black, cotton, canvas, whatever the heck this stuff right here is, jean, fleece. This can be pressed on that. This right here is $19.99 plus shipping, tax, stuff like that. This is $14.99. This is a sublimation gang sheet. Same size, 22 by 24. This is for polyester and tumblers and accessories. That's what this is for. I will do a separate video on the stickers. All right, guys, hopefully that has helped out a lot of people. If this is your first time getting into this is your first video, this is your first time checking out this video, please subscribe. Please subscribe, hit that notification bell because we have so much content on our channel teaching you about the difference between DTF, sublimation, and all the other things out there, vinyl and stuff like that. I was talking to my big brother today in San Diego, and he was telling me that he has a heat press and a vinyl machine sitting on his floor because he got into it to create my nephew's clothing line, and it's just become too much work. And I told him, bro, you obviously haven't been watching my videos because I have a product that will make your life easy and you can print any graphic that you want. Okay, guys, so if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below. Please subscribe, please share this video because we're gonna continue to do more educational videos. We've got a new video coming out by our newer employee on how to lay out your graphics and stuff like that. So just continue to stay tuned here on Straight Outta Content and go over and subscribe to Flash Custom Transfers because Chelly will be putting only Flash Custom Transfer content on that channel. I may be doing different videos, vlog videos about business and stuff like that, how to grow your business, the books that I read and that Chelly read in order to be successful at business and make the type of money that we made. Flash Custom Transfers will be 100% only dedicated to kind of like the process that goes on. Maybe she might throw in some business videos in there too. All right, guys, so that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you for taking the time out of your day to check out the content. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, hit that like button. It really helps the YouTube algorithm. And let's grow all together. Thank you for your time. Peace.